I'm Fiona. In today's training video, we will ask Engineer Wang to show us the whole process of how to replace the PP strip. Turn the knob to loose the PP strip roll for manual thread so that you can turn the turntable. Put the PP roll on the shelf and block the protective cover in the direction of the arrow. Loose the tie of the PP strip roll. Thread the PP strip on the storage area in turn. Before thread the PP strip into the wrapping machine, make sure that the PP strips are turned up, not turned down. Follow the instruction in the video to finish threading the PP strip. Turn the knob to fix the PP strip roll for automatic mode. In the touchscreen menu mode, first click the Feed Strip button to feed in a little bit PP strip into the machine. Make sure the signal light is on. When the signal is on, that means the stored PP strip is enough for the next automatic wrapping. Long press 3 seconds to cut the extra strip. By now, whole processing is finished. The machine now stands by for packaging. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next video.